What if you could build a super smart AI sales agent that works 24/7 for any business? And what if you could do it all completely for free? Well, today, that's exactly what we're going to break down. I'm going to show you how to create and even sell these AI voice agents and websites using some incredible free tools from Google that honestly anyone can get the hang of. Just imagine a potential customer calls a local gym and they hear that. Not some tired employee, not a boring voicemail, but a genuinely helpful, intelligent AI agent, totally ready to answer questions and even make a sale. Anytime, day or night. This isn't some far-off sci-fi thing. It's what we're about to build right now. And that's the big question, isn't it? I mean, small businesses are stretched so thin, they can't afford a round-the-clock sales team. But what if the tech to build one was not only super powerful, but also completely free? So here's our game plan. We'll kick things off with the big idea of an AI agent, then we'll get our hands dirty crafting the perfect instructions, building it out in Google's AI Studio, leveling it up to a full website, and then, the best part, how to turn this awesome new skill into a service you can actually sell. First things first, let's just wrap our heads around this core idea. An AI sales agent is a total game changer. Think about it. It never sleeps, it never has a bad day, and it can juggle tons of customer chats at once. That means no lead ever gets missed. For a small business, well, it's massive. Okay, let's get into the foundation of any good AI, the instructions, or what we call a prompt. The quality of your AI agent is 100% tied to the quality of the prompt you feed it. Garbage in, garbage out, as they say. So, how do we write a great one? Now, here's where things get really, really cool. You don't have to be some kind of prompt writing genius. We're actually going to use an AI, Google's Gemini, to help us write the perfect prompt for other AI. It's kind of like having an expert assistant right there with you. You just start by, brain dumping the key details. Don't even worry about making it sound good. Just list the basics: what the business is, who they're trying to reach, what they sell, their goals, any special deals. Gemini will take all that messy info and just magically turn it into a perfectly structured prompt for you. All right, with our prompt copied and ready to go, it's time to head over to the main event, Google AI Studio. Now, I know that might sound a little intimidating, maybe like something for serious coders, but I promise you it's way more straightforward than you think. This is where the magic happens. And this just shows you how simple it is. Seriously. You go to the website, you click one button that says Create Conversational Voice Apps, and you paste in that prompt that Gemini just wrote for you. That's it. You're pretty much there. You do have one key choice to make: the model. Just think of Pro as the heavy-duty, super powerful engine. It's a little slower, but the quality can be amazing. Then there's Flash. It's way faster, more nimble, and honestly, for most customer service chats, it's more than good enough. We're going to stick with Flash to keep things zippy. So after you hit Build, you can test it. And the first version might sound a little stiff, a bit robotic. It works, but it doesn't really have that human feel. It sounds like an AI reading a company brochure out loud. But here's the absolute best part. You don't need to write a single line of code to fix this. You just talk to it. In a simple little text box, you type what you want to change in plain English. Something as simple as, make it sound more human. And boom, just like that, the AI updates itself. The greeting is now natural, it's conversational, it's friendly. This whole process, just testing and tweaking with simple language, is what makes this tool so incredibly powerful for everybody, not just developers. So a voice agent on its own is pretty cool. But you know what's even better? An entire website with that awesome agent built right in. This is how we take our little agent and upgrade it into a much bigger, much more valuable product. So we head back over to Gemini and we create a new prompt. But this time, we're not just describing the agent, we're describing the whole website we want it to build. We tell it we want an embedded chat agent right there in the corner, ready to help visitors. You paste that new prompt into AI Studio, click the button, and what you get back is just astounding. A full-on landing page with great sales text, relevant stock photos, different sections for services, a contact form, and of course our little AI agent waiting in the corner. This saves, dozens of hours of work. Okay, so you've got the tech down, you can build these amazing tools in just a few minutes. Now, how do you turn this into a business? Because this is where the real opportunity is, packaging this skill as a service for local businesses that are desperate for this kind of help. Here it is, the single most important part of the entire sales strategy: And it totally flips the normal sales pitch on its head. Don't just tell a potential client what you can do for them, show them. You're going to build their custom website or agent before you even pick up the phone. The strategy is so simple and so effective. 1. Find local businesses that could use a boost. 2. Spend a few minutes building a demo just for them. 3. Grab the shareable link that AI Studio gives you. And 4. Reach out to them with a link to their new, fully functional AI-powered website. All of a sudden, your pitch becomes incredibly powerful, right? It's not some hypothetical idea, it's a real thing they can click on and play with. You're not selling them a service anymore, you're delivering a solution from the very first email. It's almost impossible for them to say no when you've already done the work. So, there you have it. The technology is free. The process is simple. The sales strategy is clear. Everything you need to get started is literally at your fingertips. So the only real question left is, who's your first client gonna be?